What do I see? A stronger version, a brand new me. Confidence rising, no more disguise. I'm stepping out